Peel an apple.
Peel an apple.
Cut an apple.
Cut an apple.
Peel a kiwi.
Peel a kiwi.
Cut a kiwi.
Cut a kiwi.
Juicer.
Juicer.
Apple.
Apple.
Kiwi.
Kiwi.
Ice.
Ice.
Milk.
Milk.
Mix up.
Mix up.
Glasses.
Glasses.
Pour the smoothie in glasses.
Pour the smoothie in glasses.
Decorate with chocolate drops.
Decorate with chocolate drops.
Yummy! Apple milk smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.